going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jasper Chase here, back with another motovlog. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to circle Chatuge Lake and check out the dam, so stay tuned. We're sitting at 37 degrees right now. Woo! But I got my long johns, I got my hoodie, I got jeans, I got thick socks. I'm ready for it. But it's sunny, a couple clouds in the sky, life is good. It snowed yesterday. I actually went out on the bike while it was snowing. I'm gonna post that video. It's a short video. I just went up to downtown Hayesville and came back, and it's gonna be a cool little video. But you get to see the snow, which I thought was cool. So anyways, Lake Chatuge and the Chatuge Dam. Now the dam was built in 1941 and finished in 1942. It was originally designed for flood control. And after, I think it was 1954, they put in a generator to make hydroelectric energy. Now the dam itself actually sits in Clay County in North Carolina, even though Lake Chatuge is actually bordering both Georgia and North Carolina. The dam itself is owned and operated by the Tennessee Valley Authority, and it holds back the 7,000 acre reservoir, which is Lake Chatuge. So we're gonna make a stop first at the bottom of the dam and check that out, and then we're gonna go to the top. And I've been told you could actually walk over it, so we should get some good footage. All right, I think this is it. Hopefully I think it's open. How you doing? Looks to be open. Still snow on the ground. There's Lake Chatuge. Alright, it's got to be up here somewhere. I've been told there's a huge picnic area, recreational area, with picnic tables and gazebos and all that fun stuff. So I just don't know if this is the right road. Maybe. Chatuge Recreation Area. All right, there's the dam right there. I pictured it being bigger. All right. So this is Lake Chatuge. Let's get out here and walk around for a minute. All right. Beautiful area. I'm gonna bust my backside trying to get down this hill. Holy cow. Huh. Now the lake is low. Interesting fact. You see kind of the dirt and the rocks and everything. This is usually all the way up to about that tree. What they do is they actually drain the lake so they can prepare for all the water that's going to come down from the melting snow. All right, we are almost there. So we're going to the top of the dam now, and hopefully get to walk over it, and I'll share some history with you guys. I'd like to actually drive my bike over top of it, but I'm pretty sure I'd get kicked out if I did that. Let's see, here we are. Oh, there's the dam right there. Okay, cool. We are here. Park right here. There we go. All right. were. This is the dam. Now, interesting enough, in World War II, there was a need for electricity, so they commissioned this dam, put a generator into it, and used it for the aluminum production for World War II. Look at that, that's pretty cool. So the dam and its reservoir required a purchase of 11,641 acres, and 1,904 acres of it displaced over 270 families. So they flooded this whole basin. So Lake Chatuge was named for a neighboring Cherokee settlement. It's actually a man-made reservoir created during World War II. The construction of the lake put a dent in some of the farming communities covering several acres of land. That's what I was telling you, the 1,900 acres and 270 families. They just got buried in water. It's crazy. But it also helped out with a lot of job opportunities. Overall, the sacrifices created an abundance of opportunities to strengthen the community around them. And I think I speak for everybody when I say, job well done. Job well done. Quinasi Town. This area was once part of the Cherokee community, Quinasi, a ritual and political center of the upper Hiawassee River Valley. In the early 1700s, Quinasi, I think that's how you say it, centered around Spikebuck Mound, located on the outskirts of nearby Hayesville. That's where I live. The most prominent feature of Quinasi was a large townhouse, a public building that served as a town hall, council house, and temple for the town. Adjacent to the townhouse was a public plaza for ceremonies, dances, and games. Huh. Interesting. Quinasi sat astride the main route for Charlestown, South Carolina, to the overhill Cherokee towns of Tennessee. English traders often plied the Quinasi path, bringing trains of packed horses loaded with manufactured goods to exchange for deer skins and other Cherokee commodities. Huh. In 1717, the South Carolina colony founded a trading factory at Quinasi to supply the region with English goods. The route through this valley remained a vital supply line for the Cherokee Nation long after the demise of Quinasi, which fell to Coosa raiders in 1725. Oh, interesting. Alright, so that was the Chatuge Dam and Lake Chatuge. I hope you guys like that. Interesting history for sure. So that's going to be it for me, guys. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys keep doing what you're doing. I'm out.